What is it now, Roger? You know I'm busy, so this better be good.
It's the Apex line. It's down again. We have to find a way to get those back-ordered parts sooner, and this is really beginning to cost us.
So why are you calling me? Why isn't purchasing on this?
Purchasing told me to get a hold of Acme, and I'm trying to reach them, but so far no luck. That's why I'm calling you.
I'll take care of this. I guess I'll have to call purchasing myself.
Yes, sir. I didn't realize that.
This is really urgent. Roger's Apex line is down. Call OneMonroe now.
Okay, yes, sir. I totally understand your sense of urgency.
Thanks for calling OneMonroe.
I have an urgent order for brass standoffs. We need 5,000 pieces. Can you help us out?
Oh yeah, we will. Most likely we have those in stock, but let me check for you.
Okay. I can stay on hold. We really need these parts as soon as possible.
A few moments later.
Hey, you're in luck. Our Spokane location has them in stock, and we can ship them out today.
Do your suppliers have the same sense of urgency as you do? If not, do yourself a favor and call OneMonroe today.